Are you excited for your new machine? Huh?
I am.
Are you? You miss ROXI though. But this is gonna be ROXI 2.0.
No, it's not ROXI 2.0.
What's it gonna be? The fans want to know.
It's not ROXI. It's gonna be something else, and I don't know yet.
So no ROXI 2.0.
No, ROXI's gone.
ROXI is gone.
Officially gone.
With it. It looks beast, guys. We can't wait. We're excited. Excited for sure. Heck yeah. You do?
Yeah.
Is it nice?
It is very nice.
Very nice?
Yeah, sit up so good and everything.
It does ride smooth, don't it?
Yeah, it does.
Shifter's a little stiff. It goes.
It goes.
It does go. And it's going to go even better when we get the R.N.G clutch kit in it, ain't it?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Does it drive smooth? It seemed like it when I loaded it on the trailer.
It does. But like, for my 500...
Yeah, it's a big difference.
It goes, like,
it's another 500 worth of a difference.
Oh, hell yeah, it is.
Seems like you have plenty of power, huh?
Oh, yeah, it did.
Seems like it.
You got a 500.
Now,
501 horses.
Since we're not going with ROXI 2.0,
yes,
what is your plan?
His name is Bandit.
It's Bandit.
Yes.
We're going with Bandit.
Yep, Bandit.
Would you tell the people what our plans are for this? Because I don't think they would quite understand.
Okay, so basically, this is not the way it's going to look. It's going to be totally different.
And what about the camo? Since we went ahead and we got the camo.
It's not going to be camo anymore.
What's it going to be?
How about we just surprise them?
Okay, fair enough. Fair enough.
Let it be a mystery.
Yep, they can keep watching if they want to find out.
Keep watching and see what we're going to do.
That was all your idea. I didn't even ask you to say that. Okay. Well, I don't normally ask you to say anything. No. You just talk on the camera like I do. So, yeah, guys, the only reason we got the camo, because I know a lot of you are going to say, why did you get the camo if you're planning on changing the color anyway? The reason why we got the camo is because it was the only one in like a 100-mile radius. And we didn't have to pay extra money for it, so it wasn't really an extra loss. And that's why we got the camo. But this color of this is going to be quite custom. Yes. The whole thing is going to be, it's going to be a build that you guys have never seen on my channel before. It's going to be something wild and crazy, and I'm hoping that I can have it done before winter's over. But there's a possibility where it won't be until a good while from now.
Yep.
So, but we will work hard and see. Maybe I can even get you in here on this project.
Maybe.
Maybe. I think the fans would like to see you. What do you think?
Work on Bandit.
Guys, tell them if they want to see you out here, they gotta what?
You gotta let me know. Leave some comments.
Tell us. Do you want to see Laura on this project?
Give me some likes. I need some likes out here.
Yeah. What's our plan that's going up there in that roof? Maybe.
It's a mystery.
Oh, there's plenty of room for what I want to do up there.
It's a mystery.
It's a mystery, but there's plenty of room. I think there's plenty of room up in there. There's a lot of room in that sucker.
Oh, I can't believe it.
Can't believe. Oh, yeah. So guys, subscribe to this here YouTube channel. Leave us a comment, a like down below. Let us know if you want Laura to join in on this build on her days off and when she's able to. And check out my website. Check out my website, www.rngperformance.net. We'll see you in the next one, guys. I really appreciate you. I can't wait to do this build. It's going to be awesome. Yes, it's sad. We ain't got ROXI anymore, and I'm going to tell you why we don't have ROXI. I don't even have to tell you. Look around. Does it look like I had room for ROXI? That's why we don't have ROXI, because otherwise, we did not want to sell ROXI and get rid of ROXI at all. We didn't want to do that, but had to. It is what it is. We had to make room for the new build, and this one will stay with us for a lot of years. We're promising you right now a lot of years, and I'm promising you before I buy any more CFMOTOs, we'll have a big, big garage to house them all, because we kind of want to buy ROXI back. Just saying.